an epic
It's gonna be
day.
awesome. Mailbox Peak, here we come.
Yeah, Mailbox Peak.
Here we are at the trailhead, Mailbox Peak. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the old primitive trail, which is shorter but steeper, and then we're gonna come back on the newer Mailbox Peak trail, which is about 5 miles back, but less steep.
Expert.
And we were warned not to go up the old one because it's so steep that the rescue team frequently gets called up here. But we're gonna take our chances. We're experts.
We have our spot tracker.
We got a spot tracker. We got poles. We got water. We got muscles.
Well, we ran out of food and I had to eat one of Jesse's legs, but other than that, it's good. I mean, look down that way. So
Pretty
they
steep.
call it, yeah, they call it an expert hike. This is a good one. This is fun. I mean, it's a workout, and we got the sun coming out now, which is awesome. And you know the best part? Yeah, look around. There are no people on this trail right now, and I think because most people are taking the easy route. All right, we're taking a break. The tree is so steep. We're now speaking with an Australian accent.
It's awesome. We got about 2,328 foot gain so far and 1.8 miles up.
How steep is it?
4,000.
I was looking for steep.
It's steep. This is a good hike.
We're close. We'll see you at the mailbox hopefully soon. Way out yonder there is Rainier. We're about how high, Shotzi?
We are 2,717 feet up.
Yeah, we're getting there. Well, Shotzi, and we hit the hard stuff. We're at the top almost now.
We're to the easy part. We have a half mile left where the old trail and the new trail meet back up.
So look, this is the easy trail.
Oh yeah. Wow. We made it. Here we have the new whalebox, brand new installed just the day before.
The previous mailbox was placed there in 2017.
Made it.
We made it. We
It's a little chilly up here.
try to get some drone footage, but the mist is rolling in. Look at that, all clouds and rain. It's supposed to get better. All right, I think we should
Heading
head back
down.
to sunny temperatures.
Yes.